Alright, so this is a little gift I got myself. Makita CTX model LT01. It's a angle driver. Tool made in Japan. Excellent. Not China. Case made in China. Charger made in China. 12-volt lithium ion. So this is the Makita containment center. And I'm all for one that has nice, neat containment centers for your stuff. But I bought like an accessory. And you know those Japanese fellows, they think of everything. Seriously, check this out. So, instruction. But this is separate. But it actually fits just perfect right here. Okay. So, this is the tool. Comes with 2 batteries. And doesn't come with this. And a charger. But this sits in here just perfectly. And I got all these Phillips. I got this set. Plus I got these guys as well. And this thing comes out, and there's some longer ones inside this thing. And yeah, very nicely made. And this battery, I don't know if it's that charged, but I'm trying to do this with my phone, but one-handed. That's it. Japan. Nice. Just solid. But, yeah. Nice containment center, charger, the whole 9 yards. And that thing just, what's so funny, I'm like, it should just about fit right there. It doesn't look like it would fit, but I'm like, you know, they made this extra bigger, and like, it absolutely fits perfectly. So here's to Makita, not to get confused with Nikita, like in Khrushchev. Makita. So this was the constructions, all that kind of stuff, but just an intro of it. I like this stuff. Yeah. They make an 18-volt one, but this 12-volt one actually has a little more oomph to it, so that's what I got. And that's about it for the Makita.